How to fix iPhone not connecting to Bluetooth device. Today's quick tutorial will show you how to fix Bluetooth issues on your iPhone. If your device isn't connecting to Bluetooth, follow these simple steps. First, open your settings and tap on Bluetooth. Find the device that's causing the problem, tap the info button next to it and select Forget this device. Wait a few seconds and then repair the device again. If that doesn't work, check for any software updates by going to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates to ensure your system is up to date. If the issue persists, try resetting your network settings by heading to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset, and select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This will reset the network settings but won't erase your personal data. Finally, if none of the above worked, restart your device. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button together for about 10 seconds, then slide to turn off your iPhone. After a few seconds, press the power button to turn it back on. Once you've followed these steps, your Bluetooth should be working fine. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it with anyone who might need it.